Good day, everyone. So welcome to our math class. So our topic for today is about solving quadratic equations by quadratic formula. So if a quadratic equation cannot be solved by factoring method, so we have to use the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Okay? So like for example, if we have x squared minus 3x equals 10. So x squared minus 3x equals 10 is an example of quadratic equation. But it is not in the standard form already. So the first step we're going to do is to change first this equation into standard form. So how? Okay. So to change this into standard form, we have x squared minus 3x. So we have to transpose 10 to the other side. If it is positive, it will become negative. Okay? X squared minus 3x minus 10. So in the standard form, always equals 0. Okay. So because this is in the standard form already, so we have to write the given first before we solve or before we stop substitute to the given formula. Okay. So our given is a, we have b, and we have c. Because in the formula we have the variable b, a, and c. Okay. So the value of a is equal to 1, which is understood that the coefficient of x squared is 1. Okay? So the value of b is negative 3, or the second term, the coefficient of the second term is negative 3. The value of c is of course negative 10, which is the constant term or the whole number. Okay? So we have all the given numbers. So we have to substitute this into the formula. Okay, again, our formula is x equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay? Right. So all we have to do is to substitute all the given values of the variables 1, negative 3, and negative 10 to the formula. Okay? So we have to copy the x equals. In the formula, we have negative. So we have to copy negative. We have b, so we have to substitute the value of b, which is negative 3. Okay? So we have to write negative 3. We have to write positive and negative. Square root of the value of b, again, is negative 3. Okay. Negative 3 squared minus 4 times. The value of a is 1. Okay. Times the value of c is negative 10. Okay. Divided by 2 times the value of a again is 1. Okay. So x equals negative times negative because we have negative outside the parentheses and we have negative inside. So if we multiply negative times negative, it will become positive 3. Okay? So we have to copy the positive and negative sign. Square root of negative 3 squared is equal to negative 3 times negative 3, which is negative times negative is positive. So negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4. So negative 4 times negative 10. So negative times negative, it will become positive. So negative 4 times negative 10 is equal to positive 40. Divided by 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so next. So x equals 3 plus minus square root of 9 plus 40 is of course equals 49. Okay? Divided by 2. Alright. So next step, we have x equals 3. We have to simplify the square root of 49 because 49 is a perfect square. So we have to change this into whole number, which is the square root of 49 is 7 because 7 times 7 is 49. Okay? Divided by 2. Alright. So our answer, we have two solutions. We have positive and negative. So we have So we have to divide this into 2. Okay? So let's copy x equals, we have to use positive 7 to the other side and negative 7 at the other side. Okay? So x equals 3 plus 7 divided by 2. And on the other side, we have to use the negative 7. So 3 minus 7 divided by 2. Okay? So x equals, okay, so this is the x sub 1, this is the x sub 2. So x sub 1 equals 3 plus 7. It will become 10 divided by 2. Okay? So 10 divided by 2 is of course equals 5. So our x sub 1 is equal to 5. And our x sub 2 is x sub 2 equals 3 minus 7. So we have negative 4 divided by 2. Okay? So negative 4 divided by 2 is equal to negative 2. So our x sub 2 is negative 2 and our x sub 1 is 5. Okay, thank you so much.